Okay, this is a small update video of my Weedo GT boat. Grinding and grinding and grinding. It's very tiring of grinding, but it needs to be done. See, these strings here there was cracks around this area here on both sides, more or less. So I removed the fiber. I thought maybe I will reuse this one, but I'm not quite sure because I think I want to replace them. This one looks quite bad. They've had some moisture. One of the problems with those is that the original one, it's not closed at the back side. It's just like wrapped around and then left around. So I'm gonna make this one new. I think I'm gonna cut it in a chamfered angle and wrap it nicely so it'll be not so open. Same way as this one. This one is cut to hold the I think the battery casing. It's a kind of small cut here. I might do it differently. I'm not sure. Let's see when I get further in the project. I had a little accident grinding here. I grinded too much. With the hole here. This one might come in, but I patched it up. Also, this one was kind of full of water. The boat was full of water. It has been anyway. So the fiber has loosened towards this wooden plate. But the plate was kind of intact. There's a kind of debris here, but I didn't want to exchange it totally because it's towards the outer fin. So I think I just want to kind of restore it. So now I just wetted it with epoxy, no, not epoxy, polyester resin, and because it was a little bit not bending inwards, I put those to straighten it up a bit. I put a little extra glass because there was missing some of the outer layer of the wooden cross section here. I might do some more glass fibering to straighten up the surface, and finally I want to make some more reinforcement in this area here, because that's where it is kind of has its weak point. I can see it on the other side where I started grinding, and then I can see there was a crack here in this area. See? Crack going more or less all the way around. It's not because I grinded a loose thing right away, but it was cracked. So the fiber here is not very thick. It's only one layer of this woven fiberglass. So I want to put some, as I mentioned, some more reinforcement in this area, and then I'll finish up with a cover of similar woven fiberglass as the original one, something like that. So I'm quite happy with this. It's got pretty much more stiff by just wetting it with polyester resin. So this is my project so far.